Perched high atop Aspen Valley Downs, the pinnacle of Woody Creek is a triumph of mountain contemporary design. Spanning an impressive 12,000 square feet, this elegant estate avoids the trap of feeling cavernous thanks to a highly intuitive two-story floor plan. Instead, it offers an intimate, seamless connection to the majestic 17-acre landscape that surrounds it. Architecturally, the home is a tactile delight. Stone-inlaid walls and graceful arches ground the structure, while overhead, dramatic dark wood beams draw the eye upward to voluminous ceilings. The true focal points, however, are the floor-to-ceiling windows. They act as dynamic, living canvases, perfectly framing 180-degree silhouettes of the Elk Mountain Range, capturing everything from Independence Pass to the spectacular 14,000-foot Capitol Peak. The lifestyle here is just as spectacular as the elevation. Imagine returning from one of the 4 nearby ski resorts to taw out beside one of the home's 7 fireplaces, because honestly, why settle for 6? Entertaining effortlessly flows from the stately media room, complete with a wet bar and billiards, into a sprawling kitchen so well equipped with double ovens, refrigerators, and dishwashers that a visiting chef might just weep with joy. When it's time to retreat, the primary suite functions as a self-contained sanctuary. Featuring a private office, fitness room, coffee bar, and an ensuite with a steam shower and soaking tub, it leaves little reason to ever leave. It even boasts direct elevator access, a highly practical luxury after leg day on the slopes. Guests are equally pampered in fully above-grade suites, each boasting private decks to take in the crisp alpine air. With cascading waterfalls, a private pond, and rolling pastures bordered by protected lands, this Woody Creek estate doesn't just offer a beautiful roof over your head, it offers an unparalleled Rocky Mountain existence.